welcome back to another video. I am here to share with you guys the project I created for the Sweet Tea Summer Collab. This collab is being hosted by Dee, who is Elegant Embellishments here on YouTube. And what this collab is about is what it suggests in the title. Any project that is a sweet theme, tea themed, or summer themed. This will be a 2-day event that will kick off today, and then the next video will be on September the 4th. The time is 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time and 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. It will be myself and Dee today, and then on September the 4th, Maria Crafty Kia Johnson. Here on YouTube, I will leave links below. Will be joining us on September the 4th. So I'm going to just jump into the video and share with you guys the products I used to create my project. So I used the glitter drops right here. I used this punch for the first time in my stash. Really cute, and it came with this stamp set, but I didn't use the stamp set. I just used the punch. I used these Distress Inks and Distress Oxides, the Squeeze Lemonade, and the Evergreen Bow or Bow. I played with these stickers called Cool Mint. My favorite right here, this corner here, this corner die. This is by La La Land, and that's the filigree corner. I love that. I use it all the time. And then I played with some Hobby Lobby clearance goodies. Check out the price there. Boom. Yes. Don't you love it? So I picked up these two and played with these. And these are the letters by Tim Holtz. I pulled out this AliExpress butterfly die. This lemon die by Carter Bella. Then these doilies right here by Memento. Play with this cute die right here by Momentum. And I played with the honeycomb die right here. Gina Marie Stitch circles. Labels 23. I didn't play with those. And then I wanted to pull out this fun paper pad or paper collection that I have. I wanted to play with that before the summer is up. And this is called the Simple Vintage Lemon Twist. So let me share with you my project. It turned out so stinking cute. So I decided to check out something from my to-do list. And I wanted to create this fun embellishment book box. And I followed a tutorial by Tamika, who is Scrap the World. And it was a really easy tutorial to follow. And I love how it turned out. So I will link that tutorial below if you guys also would like to create one. So look at the paper collection, guys. Look how fun and bright and vibrant and summer that looks. So here's the front of my book box. I just layered everything up, and I used the chipboard embellishments that came with the collection. I had some of these. If you watched my haul video, I shared a card that had these rosettes on there. I pulled that out. I told you guys I was going to use it. I have some of these cute beads that I purchased from Etsy, and I just put that on top of the rosette. This is the highlight for my book box, a chipboard piece there from the collection. This is also a chipboard from the collection. You can see my doily there. And I layered the papers up. You can see the honeycomb die that I just used as layering pieces there. And I added this cute brad right here. And I included this really fun, this is a bee honeycomb bead. Look how cute that is. Let me share with you. Look how fun and cute that is. So I thought that would add a nice touch to the front of the book box, so I included that. And then here's the side of it. I included a nice sticker from the paper collection there on the side. Really, really cute. And here's the back. Really pretty. I love how this turned out. Oh, this turned out so stinking cute. And so I used a ribbon as my closure. Tamika used a different closure. I just went with the ribbon closure for mine. And I included this really pretty teal color, mint color ribbon to match the papers. And here's the inside. And I included some fun embellishments to match the collection. So let me share with you the embellishments I put together. So right here, I included some fun butterflies using that AliExpress dye, and I just layered it up. I also included some vellum on this butterfly right here. You can see the drops I used in the center, and I think that turned out so cute. And then here's some more fun embellishments I created, and that is the lemons. And I used the dye that I shared with you earlier to create these lemon embellishments, as well as some chipboard from the collection. And I used my glossy accents on the lemons, you know, to make it come together. I also used the distress inks to distress the cutouts before I used the glossy accents. These look delicious. Squeeze the day and slice of life. Aren't those cute? These will make really, really great embellishments to go with this collection. And then let's see. I have more butterflies here. More butterflies. And this is what the accordion pocket looks like. I have a sticker here, be happy. And then another sticker here to just kind of highlight that accordion pocket. I love that too. This is a great project to give some happy mail. All right. And then over here, I love this cute little box. You can see the La La Land filigree corners I used there. And I included a fun sticker on the acetate box there that says good thoughts. And then I included one of my cute button embellishments that I made there. I thought that was a cute addition. And then let me share with you some of the embellishments I have inside of the box. I lined the box with this cute bee paper. And let me share the embellishments with you. I have another lemon. Cute. I love how these lemons turned out. And then I have some of these rosettes. I purchased these rosettes from Solo Crafts. I purchased those and then I just embellished them up. You can see the tool I used as a layering piece there that came from the Dollar Tree. And then I just used some chipboard pieces to decorate it a little further. All right, so I have 2 of those. They turned out so cute, you guys. I love how those rosettes turned out. And then I have another butterfly. I have 2 buttons. And I actually purchased these cute buttons from Etsy. But I thought those were cute to add in here as part of the embellishments. Look at those mini banners, you guys. I love how these turned out. Look at that. Aren't those cute? And that will make a fun addition. So let me see if I can bring it up where you can see it better. So I created these cute little mini banners. And I love how they turned out. So I used that punch that I shared with you guys. And then I used the letters, the Tim Holtz letters, and then some glossy accent and glossy accent it up. I put a cute little rick-rack bow on the ends. And this will make a really cute embellishment to put on your project. Isn't that fun and cute? And let me share the back with you. I always like to share the back. And I layered it on the back so it can, you know, be applied easily to your project. I love those. They're so pretty. Okay, here's another one I created. Right here. Look at this one. This one I put lemon. I love how it turned out. So I did the same thing to this banner. So cute, you guys. Oh my goodness. Can you just imagine that? If I just, like as an embellishment, you can layer it across here on your project. Let me see. See how that will look? Isn't that fun and cute? All right. So, and lastly, well, not, yeah, share the B. Yeah, this is the last one. This one says zest. I love it. These are so fun. So those are my mini banners. And that is my project share for you guys for the Sweet Tea Summer Collab. If you like what I created, make sure you hit that like button. I would love for you as well to join my YouTube family. So hit that subscribe and the notification bell. And make sure you check out Dee from Elegant Embellishments to see what she has created for your inspiration. And make sure you mark your calendars and check us out on September the 4th at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time and 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. And until next time, make sure you always create with love and passion. Bye.